welcome back. Today we are going to be playing Cannon Simulator with my friend XXOofXX. Don't ask me why he has that name. So in this game, you basically go up to these things, and they fire away. It's really stupid. So as you can see, we get gems or coins, whatever that.
I will say first.
Oh,
No.
mine. If you jump, it looks like that. One.
I have 229 points.
How?
Oh, I got daily rewards.
Oh, that would be smart. Yeah,
Rank up. Oh, wait.
27 coins? Seriously? What about the group reward? Nope.
Oh, I'm dumb. Shop is free.
Yeah, dum-dum. How? How am I this bad? Seriously. It gave me, like, not... How many coins did you get from it?
299.
200... I got, like, 56.
How about the advanced cannon?
You got the advanced cannon.
Yeah.
There's gonna be one day... There's gonna be one day where I just get this much Robux, and... Bonus 8 coins! Yeah, I can buy another thing. Okay, so now we're going to do some off-screen, cannoning. Some off-screen cannoning, we got that done. So now we have 231 I can't speak. To, spend. Coins. Wands. So the most expensive we can buy is the next one. Yay!
I'll rank up. Maybe that's what Never mind.
I'm trying. There's no way I can do that, but... So I would like to announce I have merch on Roblox. It's called the Cray Shirt. It only sells for about 25 Robux. Get it now before it goes back to its original price of 100 million Robux. I know, I'm crazy. Okay, so... Oh, that's...
Someone close to me, so I can show you the
You're not wearing the Cray Shirt.
Yes, I am. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Never mind. I am, because I have a new pic on it.
I already showed him a picture of it. Oh, yay! Nope, still can't do it. How do we get pets? Oh, eggs are over there. Oh, that would be nice. So 250. That's Robux? Okay. egg. Oh, I got a cat. Great. Just great.
Okay.
This is, nope, not my inventory. Improve pets. $300 gems? Uh, X.
I can literally one shot the ones that go 10.
Yeah, another one of these. Bum, 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 bum. Oh! Inventory's down here. Aha, I do 8 damage now! Woohoo!
Gotta go after this red one.
Okay. Just don't say my real name.
Okay, Suzo.
Because I'm keeping that a secret for a long, long time.
Hey, Suzo. Remember the times I always said your name and you had to scratch the video?
Oh, on the other recording system? Oh yeah, I have like a million videos of that.
That still did.
Oh, I kept yelling at you. Well, it does take a pretty long time.
Yeah, we don't.
So 8, 15, that's 23. I want to say 8 plus 5 is 13. The 1, 20. 13? Yeah, 23. Okay.
What recording do you use?
I use Screenomatic, I think.
Oh, let's go.
I have a limit of 15 minutes now instead of 5. That's really nice. I used another thing that I unlimited time, but
Oh,
I got 2,000. Let's go. I'm gonna buy another pet. Oh, that's 5 coins. Who cares? I'm gonna buy a pet and then buy another thing. Okay. Good pet. Good pet. Good pet. Dogo. Oh, a bear. Whoopsies. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that was a bear.
yo, ultimate cannon. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, the ultimate cannon.
Oh, we got the same cannon now.
Oh yeah, we got.
Oh, I thought you had to go after that.
Oh yeah, I did.
5, X.
5 is over.
So he had to go, because children. Be children. So, yeah. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Please buy my merch. I can't do good videos without any, real Robux, right? I do 21 damage! Oh, I could buy a lot more pets. Okay. Yeah, meh. So, we are going to buy... What's art? Teeth? Another bear. I think that's his dog. I have no clue what we got. Help me, please. I think the game's broken. Okay, no, never use T. Help me. So a cat has plus 4 damage, a dog has plus 2 damage, a bird has plus 5 damage, and a bunny has plus 9. So I want yes. So bye bye. $26 damage. Nice. $104 already. Oh yeah, I can buy another pet. So you might not know, but this YouTuber named Cam I think that's 18, is going for the most comments on the YouTube Shorts, which is like 1 million. So I want to try that, but I don't think I get that much viewers. So just go. This is a big favor, but maybe copy. I don't know, like nice video or something like that, and copy it and paste maybe like a bajillion times. Oh, what time are we at? I cannot see. Okay. So that would actually be the time we have for today's video. Like and subscribe, and remember, buy my merch. Please, I need better videos. See, if I had Robux, I could be like Laserbeam and buy all. Oh. See, if I had Robux, I could buy that. This. That's only. Okay, so like and subscribe and comment. And see you next time.